Ready, salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bulldogs. I'm Lily, and this is your Turlock Today for the 16th of November. For today's clubs, we have International Club at 11:45, Anime/Games meets at 2 p.m., Young Life at 11:45, and Portuguese at 11:45. The Turlock Assyrian American Club meeting is today at lunch with the AAC of Pivot. Check Turlock AAC Google Classroom for the code. Campus life. This week is Unity Week. Today is Cultural Heritage Day. Dress up to represent your cultural heritage. Tomorrow is Superhero Day. Dress in your favorite superhero gear. Wednesday is Grateful Day. Tell the world what you are grateful for by sending out a message of gratitude on your social media and make sure to tag THS. On Thursday, we have Squad Day. Represent your class by wearing your class colors. Freshmen are going to be blue, sophomores black, juniors white, and seniors gold. Finally, on Friday, we will all come together to show we are all Bulldogs by wearing blue and gold. Remote library checkout is now available. Find information in your advisement classroom or ask your English teacher about it. Remember, the library has access to online databases, which will make the research much easier. Last school picture day of the year. This Wednesday will be the last school photo day of the year. Students with last names starting with O through Z will take their photos on Wednesday, November 18th, starting at noon. Make sure to check your email for the specific appointment. And yearbooks. Yearbooks are on sale online until February 12th. Make sure you buy yours and ensure that you get a copy of a truly historic yearbook.
Hi, I'm Vivian Plata, and for college and career, CTE Career Technical Education courses can lead you to employment and post-secondary education opportunities. There are multiple CTE pathways available to our students. If you are interested, contact our career navigator, Sandra Martinez-Silvia, at smartinez-silvia@turlock.k12.ca.us. Seniors, remember that college deadlines are coming. Make sure to check your individual college's deadline schedule in order to get yours early. Athletics. Physical packet can be turned into the trainer's office between the hours of 2:15 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. every school day. Are you interested in playing freshman boys basketball? Tryouts are February 22nd, 2021. Please email Coach Cornfoot at dcornfoot@turlock.k12.ca.us for more information. Finally, wear your masks. Show your THS school spirit and support FBLA at all times. FBLA is selling THS masks for $10 each. Email Mr. Dungeon if you are interested at ddungeon@turlock.k12.ca.us.